To open a song in editor mode on Suno AI is fairly simple. You're going to start by navigating to your library. From here, this is where you can see all of your generated works. So all you need to do is simply find that specific song and then select the three dots next to it. From here, you want to go ahead and select edit. And in the list of options available, you do have some quick actions you can do. But if you want to open it in full editing mode, you can go ahead and select the option open in editor. Now it does say Pro, which does mean you need a Suno AI Pro subscription or even the Premier subscription to access it. But once you do get that subscription, you can go ahead and select it like so. Wait a couple of moments as it opens up at the editing session. And then once it's been successfully opened up, you will be given this welcome page. So just wait for it to finish up. Then select try now, and you can now use the editor on Suno AI. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.